hereby announce the opening of the new Zimbabwean exemption permit, learning from the wisdom of our leader and the son of the soil of the South African Revolution, O.R. Tambo. We do this in the spirit of international solidarity, conscious of the political imperative to build peace and friendship in the continent and in the whole world. Conditions of this new the new Zimbabwean exemption permit dispensation entitles it entitles the holder to work, study, and or conduct a business if a person is an entrepreneur. But also it's important to emphasize that it does not entitle the holder the right to apply for permanent residence, irrespective of the period of stay in the Republic of South Africa. At that point, it will not be renewable, neither be renewable nor extendable. The next point, it does not allow a holder to change conditions of his or her permit while in South Africa. Also, the permit holder who wish to convert their status to any other mainstream visa should apply timelessly for such visa from within South Africa, provided they meet all the requirements for that visa.